Hey guys, it's Shelby. Welcome to my channel. Today we're cleaning out my vanity and organizing my products according to season. I did just film a declutter a couple of months ago, so I will not be getting rid of anything today. I will link that video below if you would like to watch that one as well. If you've seen my vanity organization videos in the past, then you know what I'm doing today. I keep all of my most used makeup in the vanity drawer, so that includes current foundation and bronzer shades and season appropriate lip and cheek colors. I keep the makeup not currently being used in the storage drawers to the side of the vanity. So I'm going to start by pulling out all of the products from the storage that I want to put into the vanity for spring and summer. Next, of course, I'm pulling the items from the vanity drawer that will be stored away for fall and winter, and I'm cleaning off all of the products along the way. Everything is nice and put away in order, clean, so nice. So in the first spot here, I have my primer spray, setting spray, primer, concealers, and then my two favorite foundations that I go to during summer or fall, it doesn't matter, in my summer shades. If you didn't notice, I put away these two foundations also in my fall and winter shades. So now everything is nice and ready and clean, ready for the summer months. Just have my beauty sponge there. In this spot, or actually back there, if you can't tell, I just have a couple tools. And then this is my Lorac Pro 3 palette. I use this pretty much anytime I ever do my eyeshadow. Don't judge me, it's pretty beat up, it's really old. So I just have that at easy reach here. And then a quick little Benefit palette. I only use this in the summer, so I obviously moved it from my storage to my drawer. So we have the Hoola Bronzer, California, blush, and What's Up highlighter. I absolutely love peachy, orangey type blushes in the summer and spring. And I love this What's Up highlighter for like a more natural skin finish type day. Not a lot of powders and stuff. And then my Peach Perfect setting powder I use year round. Doesn't matter if it's hot or cold outside, that's the setting powder that I'll be using. In this spot here, I have my highlighters, bronzer, and blushes. So I really typically only use one bronzer. It's the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, and my summer shade is the shade Bronzer, so I moved that over. I did also move this liquid bronzer over from Benefit, the Do the Hoola bronzer, just in case I want to do again, like another makeup day without powders or anything. A couple highlighters, and then I have my blushes on this side here. This part never changes. This is all of my like lid toppers, all of my shimmery type shadows. So I have like Glitter and Glow liquid shadows over here. I have a lot of the Super Shock shadows from ColourPop. Just a couple like sticks and loose pigments and things like that back there. Literally my crease shade, no matter what look I'm going for, and then my brow powder. So these are all of my like eyeshadows and things here. And then again, this never changes. This is all mascaras, liners, brow pencil, things like that. So nothing changed here, just cleaned it up. This is a big change, moving into lippies. I put away all of my like deeper, darker shades and brought out all of my vibrant like corals and pinks and stuff like that. And some of these things live here year round. They're just like my neutral lipsticks and stuff. Showed you my blush palette. This stays in here year round as well because it has my deeper shades for the fall. It has my more vibrant, colorful shades for the spring and summer. I just moved the Tartelette over here because it is more of like a fall winter palette. However, there are still some shimmer shades and stuff that I use in the summer. So it's just not in like my main reach, it's just off to the side. And then a contour palette that I pretty much never use, but I mean, you never know. And coming over to here, I did put all of my fall and winter lipsticks away, as well as my lighter foundation shades and my deeper blushes, my lighter colored bronzer and foundations. Nothing really changes here. This is all my backups. I pretty much take these to the beach with me, to the pool with me. It's just an SPF setting spray, so it doesn't mess with my makeup if I decide to wear makeup to the beach. Nothing changed here. And then I did just put away this palette for now into the drawer because it is definitely more of a fall winter palette that I'm not going to be using right now. And now for the dreaded task of brush cleaning. It has been a while, I won't lie, but I am so infrequently wearing makeup these days because of the face mask that it just doesn't cross my mind. I'll be heading to the beach soon, so I wanted to make sure that all my brushes were clean and ready to go. I always use an antibacterial soap. I just use just soap, but there are a million different makeup brush cleansers out there. I also use a small silicone mat that has suction cups to the inside of my sink so that I can scrub the brushes on there and really get into all the bristles. I always keep my brushes upside down like this, as water can break down the glue in the bristles or the handle and can shorten the life of the brush. I then gently squeeze until the water runs clear and dry them flat on a towel. That is it for today. My beauty space is so clean and organized, and it makes me want to play with it all. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope I could motivate you to do some cleaning and organizing of your own, or at the very least, I hope you found this video satisfying. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.